Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious juicy Kalmi Kabab without tandoor. We are going to cook this in the oven and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this beautiful delicious Kalmi Kabab recipe. To start off, here I have 2 pounds of chicken drumstick. I made a slits on 4 sides so that way the masala gets infused inside. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon white or black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon ginger paste or grated, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Here I have 1 tablespoon lime juice. You can add lime juice or a lemon juice. Go ahead and add them and go ahead and mix it well until it's all well combined. Now this is the first marination. We are going to marinate at least for 30 minutes or longer. It's totally up to you. And I'm going to just set it for 30-35 minutes. In another cup I'm adding half a cup of hung yogurt or a Greek yogurt, thick yogurt. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon milk with a pinch of saffron mixed together. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoon cream and half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, green cardamom powder, and 2 tablespoon cashew powder. You can go up to 2 to 3 tablespoons. Go ahead and mix well until it's all well incorporated. There is no lumps whatsoever. Now once it's nice and creamy, to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon besan powder, 1 egg white, just egg white, and go ahead and mix them until it's nicely incorporated. And the consistency should be nice and thick. It should not be runny. It should be nice thick paste. As you can see, it's nice and thick. If you want little thinner consistency, you can add a little bit of a cream. Now added some salt to this and I'm going to start marinating the chicken pieces into the cream mixture. And transfer this into a bowl and all the marinade that we had from the chicken, just transfer everything together and then cover it and rest it for at least 5 hours, or overnight is always best option. To this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Go ahead and just mix them and cover this with a cling wrap, and I'm going to marinate for overnight. Now here I have a baking tray with a parchment paper and a baking rack. And now I'm going to butter or oil the rack so that when we put the chicken, it doesn't stick on the rack. Now go ahead and place the chicken, leaving a little bit space between each other. And then I'm also preheating my oven at 525, the highest setting. I'm going to bake for 20 minutes and then we are going to remove this after 20 minutes, and you can see it's nicely brown. And I'm going to flip the sides. If you want to butter before you flipping it, that's also okay. So I'm going to just flip it and go ahead and butter some on the chicken pieces, or you can use oil, you can use ghee, whatever you like. Just go ahead and butter them, and then I'm going to bake for another 10 minutes on a broil. Now once you broil them, you can remove it and serve this with choice of chutney or some just vegetable. Now I'm going to sprinkle with some kasuri methi to give that beautiful authentic taste. Now the Kalmi Kabab is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.